Thank you. Thank you for having us here, and I think our panel is really just continuing the dialogue that you just had. And one of the things we know as investors, capital goes to where it's treated best. And when people ask about investing in Greece, we have to really look at how capital is being treated here. We've been looking at opportunities for many years. I do think there's some opportunities here in Greece. I think what I'm hearing and what I've kind of looked at over the years is there are some things in place that would help. I think the privatization program, building the private sector, is very important. They simply cannot raise taxes and raise taxes. They have to get revenue, and you get revenue from building the private sector, not the public sector. So you have to reduce the public sector, increase the private sector, and you will increase revenue. To just put the burden on the taxpayer isn't working. Quite frankly, it hasn't worked anywhere in the world. So it's not going to work here. So I'm hoping the privatization program really takes off and does well. In fact, instead of raising taxes, the U.S. in the 1980s and then even in the 60s, when their economy was faltering, they lowered taxes, increased the overall revenue, and reduced the debt, and the economy did very, very well. So I think that's very important, and as investors, we're looking at that. The other part of the private sector versus the public sector is regulations. As an investor coming in here, we have to have confidence that the regulations are in tune and they're not going to be changed tomorrow. We're investing for the long term. We're investing like that. We can't have a situation where tomorrow the rules change. So that's very important going forward. There are a lot of opportunities here. There's obviously the energy area, tourism is a big area. Real estate looks very exciting. Some of the insurance areas look very exciting. But we have to have confidence that the regulations will not overtake the investment area of the business. So with that, I'll